Today we're making thick slime. You can use any glue you want. I'll be using Elmer's school glue. We're gonna pour it to the top. Now we're going to pour it in. Let's just wait until it's all out. This is cornstarch, and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of this. One. 2. This is the hand lotion, and we're gonna add 5 squirts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I use popsicle stick because if you get your parents' silverware dirty, they're not gonna be happy about it. So I would recommend using these. Next, we are going to mix. And mix. Make sure you get all the edges so you can get all the cornstarch off. Wait until it's all mixed up in the glue. We're gonna wait until it's all one consistency, so this might take a while, and if your arm starts to hurt, don't worry. Mix it to the perfect consistency. Now we can add our food coloring. I am going to make a purple slime colored slime. I'm gonna use red and blue. Red and blue make purple. I'm gonna use 1 drop and then mix. If you don't like it that dark, you just keep adding until you think it's good. So we'll start adding the red. Add 1 drop. Get the blue. Add 1 drop and mix. So let us mix. Keep mixing until you get your perfect color. Now I got it to my perfect color. Now we can add our activator. We will be adding our activator 1 tablespoon at once. Warning, do not drink this. This is very poisonous. It's already started to turn into slime. Now I have mixed it to the perfect consistency. Now we can go in with the hands. So let's go in with the hands. Ooh, this stuff feels good. Now, since it's a perfect consistency, I'll show you how to play with it. You can stretch it. You can do this. You can rip it, flatten it, pop it some more, fold it, roll it. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be a big bubble. Oh my goodness me! This is probably the biggest bubble I've ever made. Now it's a small bubble. Now it's a popped bubble. When you do that, you can do this and then pop it, which is the best part of it. Listen, I love it. If you like my slime, comment down below. Like, subscribe for more slime videos. I'm King Jimmy.